Hey everybody! If you want to watch a video and do calculation at the same time on your Samsung Galaxy device and you are wondering how to do so, today we are going to guide you through some methods for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. So you can just go over and use the split screen feature to have the video on top or the calculator app on your screen. So for that, you can open up the application. For example, let's say the calculator app. So you can open it up. And once you open up your calculator app, you can go over and go to the recent app section. Now, what you need to do is basically head over and hold that first application on your screen like this, and you will be finding the split app available on your screen. If not the split, you can even look out for the top option and select it, and you can look out for the split option and split your screen to the half. This is one of the method available. So once you're okay with it, you can start by opening up the video application, for example, YouTube. So once you open up the YouTube app, you can start playing a video. You can just go over and do so. For example, let's say this is the video I am currently playing, so you can see the video in the background. And right when I tap on this calculator app, you can even look out for the calculator app where you can do calculations that you prefer. You can just go over and do so and even play the video in the background, and right at the top, you can even do the calculations that you're looking for. You can even make the video to full screen. You can just go over and tap on this full screen option and basically tap on this calculator app and just go over and watch the video and do calculation at the same time. If not this, sometimes you can just go over and hold the application and use the split screen feature that I already told you. You can just go over and do so. And that is how you basically use the split screen feature and watch video and do calculation at the same time on your Samsung Galaxy device. So that is it, everybody. Those are the methods you can probably follow for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.